Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best convertible top cleaner and protectant in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best convertible top cleaner and protectant. Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Magic 707 Convertible Top Cleaner. This cleaner prevents brittleness caused by sun exposure while maintaining your convertible top. The Blue Magic 707 Convertible Top Cleaner is effective at keeping the vinyl roof of your convertible top supple so it doesn't dry out due to sun exposure. You don't need a lot of the formula to achieve a clean and brighter top. In addition, you can use this product on vinyl tops, canvas, boat curtains, and truck bed covers, making it a good, all-around option. The cleanser doesn't have a bad odor, and it removes long-standing stains. Unfortunately, the spray nozzle is a little flimsy and can break easily. You may also need to apply at least 2 coats for it to be effective, and it doesn't produce the same shine as some rival products. Moving on at number 4, we have the Protex World Convertible Soft Top Canvas Cleaner. If you're dealing with stubborn stains and dirt, this convertible top cleaner can eliminate them. If restoration is your aim, the Protex World Convertible Soft Top Canvas Cleaner is a good go-to product for getting rid of bird droppings, road grime, and sap. Made in Great Britain, a bottle of Protex contains enough cleanser for the soft top on a 2-seater sports car. It provides a deep clean and removes a variety of contaminants as well as mildew. The product is also easy to apply. Simply dampen the top and work your way from the middle to the edges using a paintbrush. It produces a water-resistant shield and has little to no odor during application. The water beads up, and it lasts a few months, even if you leave your car outside most of the time. You must test a small area first to make sure the dye does not run, and it's unadvisable to apply in full sunlight because it can dry too quickly. In addition, the manufacturer recommends following up with its Canvas Restorer and Protex Canvas Waterproofer for best results, which increase the cost. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys Fabric Guard Convertible Top Protector Shield. This convertible top cleaner can do it all, from cleaning car fabrics to your household upholstery. This multi-purpose cleaner by the Chemical Guys is designed for use on convertible tops, fabric, and upholstery, as well as door panels and other fabric surfaces. It boosts the fabric's surface tension, which prevents liquid from penetrating. The hydrophobic formula is both a protectant and a repellent that adheres to the fibers and repels water and other liquids from creating stains. This shield doesn't discolor the convertible top or fabric. It also acts as an anti-odor agent, which could be helpful for interior purposes. In addition, this product increases the fabric's durability, blocks UV ray damage, and is ozone-friendly. Finally, the overspray will not adversely affect your vehicle's paintwork, chrome, trim, glass, vinyl, rubber, or plastic. However, water does not bead up on a convertible top after application, so its water repellency may be less effective than some other products. At number 2, we have the Raggtopp Convertible Top Care Kit Fabric. This convertible cleaner goes a long way and gets the job done super quickly. Even if your convertible top has been neglected for some time, the Raggtopp Convertible Top Care Kit does a good job of cleaning it up. While you may need to apply several coats of the conditioner during this type of scenario, it produces excellent results. The product acts quickly and efficiently and is simple to use. It removes dirt and grime and restores your top's appearance. The kit includes a cleaner in a sprayable bottle as well as a protectant in a separate bottle, so you get 2 products to guard against the elements, including dirt, soil, UV rays. It may also restore the color to some faded convertible tops. The products last a long time, so you don't have to reapply them too often. However, it doesn't come with a brush, which you need to purchase separately to get the cleaner to do its job most efficiently. And finally at number 1, we have the Chemical Guys Convertible Top Cleaner and Convertible Top Protectant Kit. This potent cleaning kit will wrap your convertible top in a layer of protection, regardless of the material. If you have a fabric, synthetic, or vinyl convertible top or tonneau cover, the Chemical Guy's Ultimate Convertible Top Care Kit is a great, stain-repellent option that works against bird droppings, tree sap, water spots, and road debris. The formula is non-toxic and adheres to the fabric to provide a protective layer. The Protectant seals the top against dirt, liquids, stains, and UV rays. It's safe to use on all colors and will prevent the top from fading and getting discolored. The product comes in a sprayable bottle and is designed to keep your soft top looking nearly new and can actually prolong its lifespan. It's also easy to use. After cleaning it with a convertible top cleaner, let it dry, and apply the Protectant. The company claims the results will last for several months. The cleaner won't harm other areas of your vehicle, such as the finish, chrome, windows, rubber, or plastic. However, you may need several coats of the Protectant to receive the results you want. It also doesn't prove as water resistant as some other brands.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.